Hello and welcome to Shrib.com, the versatile online notepad that makes sharing your notes as simple as a click. Today I'm here to introduce a hidden gem for productivity enthusiasts, making up-to-date configuration or information files available as machine-readable plain text files. Let's say we need to share a configuration file. I go to Shrib.com, create the file by hitting the N key or hitting New Note. I name the file and I enter the configuration file I need to access through a machine. Here we go. This is saved to the cloud automatically. Now I can go to the settings panel of this note, which I can do by hitting Alt-S keys or going to the note settings. Here I get the sharing panel. The note is private by default. Now I can publish it as a plain text file, because remember we want to distribute this across machines. I hit Save Settings and it is done. The note is now published as a plain text file. And now let's see how we can access this through a script or a command line. We can use a tool like curl. So let's go see what this looks like in the command line. If we use curl, we can go to our site, Shrib.com, and it was called Python. Now what we need is the URL parameter v for view and pl for plain text. And then we hit enter and voila, we have the file. Finally, observe how the content is updated immediately. Let us go back to the file and realize that we have a new password. And let's go back again to the command line to see if this other secret password has been updated. We download the file again and there it is. The other secret password is here as well. That's it. You know now how to create, share, and dynamically update plain text configuration files using Shrib.com. Have fun and keep your productivity soaring.